All right, so today in this video, we're gonna be unboxing this brand new cutter right here from Siser, as you can see. But shout out to the folks at Pro World for making this possible. So this cutter right here that you see is the Cameo 3. This was the first silhouette cutter I ever purchased, right? This was my second quad cutter. I started a business with a 28-inch cutter, but then I got into cutting glitter, and I said, man, I can't cut glitter on this big old cutter. And this machine right here helped me out big time. But we have graduated. You can see this is the 3, and I've been using it for years now. But we now needed to upgrade. And shout out to the folks over there at Pro World for making this possible. Today we're unboxing a brand new cutter from Siser. And if you've been in the game for a while, you probably already know what cutter this is. But let me know in the comments, what cutter do you think this is? Let me grab my, don't drop it. Let me grab my blade. Got me a big old tool right here. I actually made a post on Instagram like, yo man, I need somebody, anybody to help your boy out. I need to graduate from the small 12-inch cutter that I've had laying around. Truth be told, yes, maybe I haven't used it in a while, but I'm praying that I'll be able to bring a lot more videos using this cutter here. All right, so, let's swing this thing around for you. There it is. Whew. I like it. It's got a lot of protection. There it goes. All right, all right. Okay, so it's a box inside of a box, of course. This box is beautiful. Look at it. Wow, this is pretty. It says opened by Siser. Okay, let's see. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is sexy. Look at it, y'all. This is sexy as hell. Yep, we're unboxing this. Wow. Opened by Siser. So I guess once I break this seal, it's done. It's a done deal. But the box though, look at the box. This box is sexy. I like the graphic on the box, first of all. This is a box that you probably want to keep. It's got so that they're moving with this Romeo and Juliet theme, right? So they got this like historical type of art on here. I love it. I love it. I really hope once I get the product out of the box, I'll show y'all a close up on the box because it's kind of heavy right now. Because I don't know about you, I want to see it. That cutter is pretty. I see it on videos, but now we're going to touch it in person. Make sure you like and subscribe. If it's your first time here and you're not subscribed, you know, whenever we get a new tool like this, it's going to be a tons of video coming around to teach you how you can be successful with a cutter like this. I'm trying to not break the box. I want to save the box. Okay, there's still levels. We're still going. Adventure begins. Wow. Okay. This is nice. The boxing, the whole boxing situation is good. This here is a black box. I'm not sure what's in it. I'm pretty sure it's the power cord and some other accessories. Let's open it up. It says accessories. right? We have the accessories right here. We're gonna open this up, and as far as accessories, I have the USB cable, which you need. It's the USB cable. I have the blade. That's the blade. And then we have some, okay, that's the blade holder, right? And this is the blade. We have a pack of blade in here. And then this is the blade holder. I don't know. We'll figure out what that actual name is. But that's what's in this box here. We'll put it back in there for now. And there's other stuff in here. This one says power cord. Power cord. All right, so this is the power cord. Let's open that. So all white power cord right here. I like this black thing they got going on here. I like this black theme. And it says power supply source. All right, this is the power supply itself. So that was the power cord. This is the power supply. All right, this is the power supply right here. And then we have the documentation. Documentation. All right, this is the Romeo cutter. This is the 24-inch Romeo cutter. You can see how big this box is. Sheesh. I pray I have a spot for it though. I just pray that I have a spot for it. We'll find a spot. I don't care who's got to be thrown outside. We'll find a spot for it. Maybe we'll sit right next to this TransPro Plus. Again, shout out to the folks at Pro World for making this possible. I always love the partnerships with Pro World. This is how we have this heat press right here. And the cutter itself comes from Siser, which is Pro World happens to be a Siser distributor, reseller, wholesaler. I don't know the right terms, but I think it's more like a distributor. So there's a base. I believe this is the base that it's going to sit on. We'll figure that out. I'm going to lay this right here on my TransPro Plus. And then we got a mat. Here's the mat. This is a 12-inch mat. And we're going to pull out the beast. The beast. Let me know in the comment. Comment the word Romeo down below. Romeo. Are you a Romeo or are you a Juliet? Which one do you have? Or which one do you look to have? I like big things, so I had to ask for the biggest one in the family. All right? The biggest one. Sometimes I get anxious. It's like Christmas morning. You just want to do it. I'm going to bring this riser up a bit. All right. It's like taking your shirt off. Wow. It's pretty good. This is good. This is good. Ooh, yeah. You can do curls with this thing. Yeah, look at it, pretty. This is Siser branded. Let's just, I'm just super excited. Like I said, it's like Christmas morning. So let's put it on the feel right there. That's what that base was for. So let's bring the base right here for now. Let's bring this base and let's set this on that base. There we go. All right, we'll grab our blade again. This time, we're gonna do the unwrapping. We did the unboxing. We're now gonna do the unwrapping. So let's go ahead, seal this up. Trying to keep the blade away from the pearly white. It's almost like when you get a brand new car. You don't go ahead and put a decal on your brand new car the first day you open it. You wait a little bit. I don't even know if I would put a decal on my brand new car. Y'all let me know. Because some folks love their vehicles. Nothing goes on it. It's barely that they let other people in it. So okay. I'll take this off, just some cushion. Take all the butt off, and now we have a brand new cutter. All right, so this was the unboxing of the Juliet. We're gonna place it in this area that it's gonna sit at, and we'll do a turn on, we'll do everything and figure out how this thing really works, right? Again, shout out to the folks over there at ProRaw and Siser for hooking up your boy with this, man. I cannot wait for all the great content that's gonna come out of this thing right here. It's gonna fit right in the middle here. For now, we'll put it right here. Wow, this thing is huge. All right, no worries. We'll figure out somewhere for it. I have a heat press on the side there that I don't use. We're gonna take that down and we gotta make room. All right, so we'll take this heat press off of here. We'll say goodbye to this. Goodbye to this heat press. We need the space for the new folk. And we'll see what else we wanna sit next to it. What else gets the privilege to sit next to the Romeo? Can it sit without being on this base? Yeah, it sit without the base. I wonder what this base is really for. Is that even what it is? All right, so it's sitting right there.